Hi everyone, this is Shima from Food Prep, and today we have Haruko, functional medicine specialist.
Hi.
We want to talk about what can be tested, and so there's other things that we can test aside from the mammogram and stuff. What lab tests can be done for preventing breast cancer?
I guess the most obvious here would be the estrogen level. And then you probably, like we said, the estrogen is all about the balance as well. So you're going to want to check all the other hormones as well that goes along with estrogen. And also there's other markers that we can check. And this is usually can be checked at your standard doctor. This is just a regular blood test that you can do.
So this is a blood test. Also, you can check your genetics.
Yeah, genetics is also another important component because I think some people might have heard of the BRCA genes maybe. So that's something that you can check. And also you need to be able to metabolize the estrogen. So you gotta make sure that you have the enzymes for that because some people don't have as much as others.
Right.
And also it's good to check your stress hormone as well. Because remember, like we said, the stress, and then you get the cortisol, obesity, insulin, all work together.
Yeah. So that's also the blood test.
Yes. Or you can do blood, you can do saliva, you can do urine as well.
So we can check the hormone levels, we can check the genetics. What else can we test?
So the ones we mentioned so far, you can kind of check with your conventional doctors. And then the rest of these tests, the functional tests I call them, goes a little bit more in depth. So we look at the gut microbiome. So see if there's any infections inside your gut. What about your normal gut flora? Do you have enough? Do you have too much? Do you have any opportunistic gut bacteria that's causing more havoc and producing more estrogen inside your gut? So you kind of want to check for that.
Your gut bacteria is related to estrogen because it's producing estrogen. The
bad ones are producing the estrogen.
So you want to make sure your gut health is in check. So
you're gonna want to have more of the good gut bacteria and then eradicate the bad.
So again, gut health is so important.
Everything starts here.
And also you mentioned food sensitivity tests. Why is that?
So food sensitivity also because everything, like we said, starts in the gut. We need to make sure that our gut system is working well. So we also eliminate the estrogen this way as well. So we want to make sure that we're making sure that we don't eat foods that your body thinks is offensive, and then try to incorporate more of the good things, like we mentioned about last time about all the cruciferous and phytonutrients.
So this food sensitivity test, right? It's really individual, like bio-individuality. What I can process well may not be good for you, and vice versa.
Right.
So that's why you want to check what are you sensitive to.
Right. It's very personalized to you.
Right.
Because a lot of people say, oh, don't eat dairy, don't eat gluten, but this test will really tell you that it's maybe perhaps not good for you.
I like it. I like how this whole medical movement is going, like, it's not, I'll give you one pill, one size fits all. It's really individual. Like, you really have to find what's good for yourself.
Exactly. Because everybody's different, and then so the cause is different. So that's why we need to figure out where is it coming from. And we can also check for environmental toxins. And this we can check from our urine because we metabolize everything. And whatever we absorb, ingest, and it goes into your urine, so you can check to see what type of chemicals you have.
Right, so you can check the toxins from your urine test, and then that food sensitivity test is from a blood test, and then there's a stool test.
Stool test is for this.
Okay, so that was for the gut health. Right. Is there any other test that you want to recommend?
Oh, and it's also good to check your nutrient levels. Like we said, it's good to have a good amount of omega-3s and 6s, a good balance. So it's good to check for that. And also there's other nutrient level that's protected. So you want to make sure that you're getting enough of those, especially vitamin D, magnesium, quite important. So these are like the foundation nutrient basic things that we need in our body. So it's good to get that checked as well.
Yeah, so that was very interesting. There's actually so many different things that we can test, and so many different things that we can personalize for our own self. Everybody's different. We want to keep that in mind.
Exactly. So yeah, it's good to check what's for you.
Mm.
What are the risks for you, and it's a good way to get that checked.
So can we do that at your clinic?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll have the contact details and in the links down there. And yeah, if you're curious and if you're motivated to check, why not do it? It's October, so let's prevent it.
Prevention is better than screening.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed the videos. If you liked it, please like it and share it. We want this information to go out. So thank you so much for tuning in, and see you next time. Bye!